So the problem name is best time to buy and sell stock. So first we just see the problem statement. So the problem statement is you are given an array prices where prices of I is the prices of the given stock on ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in future to sell the stock. So what they actually tell is they just and also they just expect the return maximum profit you can achieve from this transaction. If you cannot achieve any profit, then just return 0. So what they're trying to say is they just give one array and also they just give the prices of each stocks on the ith day. So now we have to find that in which particular day we need to buy the stock and in which particular day we need to sell the stock in order to get the maximum profit for this entire stock day. So the problem is very straightforward. So now we have to find the just we need to find the particular days and like a buy date, and then we have to find the sale date. Then finally at the end of the conclusion we have to minus those values from buy to sell. So that's all. So for this particular problem we just use a sliding window algorithm. So before that we just see the example 1. In example 1 you can clearly see that the prices of 715,364. Now we need to find that so here in this explanation you just see that buy on day 2 then and sell on day 5, so that they can get a profit of 5 rupees. So this is the profit, this is the maximum profit that they can get in this entire prices. So what they actually do is, so this is the this particular, like they just buy the stock on day 2 because the day 2 they get a price 1 rupee. Then in day 5 they can in day 5 they just sell the stock. So the reason is in day 5 they just get a profit of I price, profit the value of I price, so that they just sell the particular stock on day 5. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So this is the maximum profit. For this particular problem we just use a sliding window. So before that we just create two variables. So one is my small, then another one is my max value. So as of now I assume that my first price is my like a small value, like smallest price. Then my max is, as of now I just assume that it is 0. So as I already told that uh, as of now I assume this is my small. Okay, now we just traverse the entire array from 0 to n in order to find the maximum profit. Then prices of length. Then as of now, like very firstly what I'm actually do is I want to cross check that if my if my prices of I is actually lesser than the actual small value, means I just interchange the value, because our end goal is to find the smallest value, then our end goal is to find the as well as maximum value in order to do the computation. So if in case if I got any values which is very smaller than the actual small value, I'm just change the value for the small equal to price of I. Now if in case if this particular if condition does not work, because the actual small value itself a small value, means uh, this if condition is not passed, so it just came to the else if. So in else if what I'm actually do is I'm just check that if my max value is actually lesser than or equal to my prices of I minus small, means I'm just store the particular value in my max value. So the reason why I'm do this kind of condition means sometimes I already have a max value in my max value. So if in case if I didn't give this particular condition, means whatever the value that comes in the end of the iteration, the particular value will be stored into the max value. So that is the reason why I'm just give this particular condition. Now finally we just return this max value like variable, and let's check if it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. Let's try to submit this particular problem. Yeah, it's perfectly working.